MySQL Workbench enables a DBA, developer, or data architect to visually design, model, generate, and manage databases. It includes everything a data modeler needs for creating complex ER models, forward and reverse engineering. Our first tutorial is about creating new connection. First, we need to launch MySQL Workbench. You will be presented with the home window. From the MySQL Workbench home window, click the plus icon near the MySQL Connections table. This opens the Set Up New Connection wizard. Define the connection name value, which we will set to new connection in this example. In the Configure Local Management introduction, press Next to begin defining the new connection parameters. On Windows Management, select the appropriate MySQL service for the MySQL connection, then click Next. The wizard will now check its ability to access the start and stop commands and check access to the MySQL Server configuration file. The connection now will be tested. You should see that the connection was successful. If not, click back and check that you have entered the information correctly. Then click Next. Click Test Connection to check if a successful MySQL connection was made. Then click OK. If the connection was unsuccessful, return to Configure Server Management. If everything's OK, click OK. In here, we can see the new connection we created. This is the end of our first tutorial.